Hello everyone, and this is a video on single and both group study timetable, that is for November 2021 students who are going to appear. Okay, and our timetable starts on 1st of August, so be chilled and relaxed till 1st of August, then start preparing for your November 2021 exams. And in this timetable we will assume that our exam starts on 1st of November, so that we would have enough time if they announce the date later on, so it will be not a problem for us, and we will complete our portions by October 31st. Okay, first I will say about single group, that is group 1 and group 2 students appearing for only a single group, and next I will move on to both group students, because I need to add some more tips for them for clearing the exam. Okay, now we will start on 1st of August. Our plan starts on 1st of August, and from 1st of August, for group 1 students start preparing paper 1, and group 2 students start preparing paper 2, and likewise we will follow an alternative way. Okay, so paper 1 will be for group 1 students, paper 1 will be your accountancy, and whereas for paper 5 students it will be your advanced accounting. Okay, I have segregated these 92 days, that is your 3 months time period, into 4 slots, that is for each paper. Okay, so from 1st August to August 20, you will be preparing your paper 1 or paper 5. So you prepare your study material in these 20 days, and it is more than enough for clearing a CA intermediate if you study in more efficient and effective manner. Okay, and study material is very important. Please practice every sums in accountancy, which is very important, and mostly questions come from your study material and your past year question papers. So as you know, please prepare your study material effectively. Okay, now from 21st August to 23rd August, which I have marked in green color, will be your day for your revision and your day for your preparing your RTPs, that is your past 3 years question papers. And this past 3 question papers is very important before you go on to exam. So please try to solve the question paper, your RTP, and which is normally we used to do 2 years past years RTP, but do 3 years, because it gives you a conceptual knowledge, whereas your question paper pattern, everything will be added on in your RTP past 3 question papers. Okay, next we'll move on to our August 24 session, that is paper 2 and paper 6, which will be our law and auditing and assurance for group 2 and group 1. Okay, now from August 24 to September 12th, okay, September 12th, our 20-day sessions will be over, that is you will study your study material, and that is your time period for studying. Okay, and these days are more than enough, because comparatively law and auditing and assurance have a little more summing up portions, so it's not a big deal to cover in 20 days. Then in September 13 to September 15, and 3 days period, same like our first slot, we will do a revision and our RTS past RTP. So likewise for from September 16 to October 6, I guess, October 5, and a 20 days slot, and next is for paper 3 and paper 7, and 3 days for your RTP revision and your RTP and a revision. And an important point is, if you have your summary notes while preparing your study material slot, that is your 20 days, while studying side by side, prepare your summary notes, which is very important, and your handwritten notes will be very useful in your examinations. Okay, and many toppers do this, and please everyone follow this practice for inter and your final everything. Okay, next is our paper 4 and paper 8, which is our last final session, that is our 4th slot. Paper 4 will be your taxation, and for group 1 and paper 8 will be your I guess financial management and economics for finance for group 2 students, and that is a 20-day slot, and we'll end up on October 28th, and next is a 3 days revision and RTP, 3 years past RTPs. Okay, so we will complete it on 31st August. By the time we will complete it. Okay, so now it's over for single group students. If single group students, and for single group students we have a lot of time, that is 3 months is more than enough to pass your CA intermediate exam. So be confident in yourself, and trust yourself, and the important thing is, don't forget to write the summary notes while studying. Okay, Now we will move on to groups 2 students. Okay, now we can understand that groups 2 students, it is really hard to complete your both groups, and you will have a lot of stress to complete at a time. So this may seem same timetable, but you have a logical advantage on this while preparing your group 2 exam, sorry, both the group exams. So for like same like single group and same like single group students, now in the same slot for both group students we have paper 1 and paper 5. Why I have added these two is because for both the groups, the main reason is paper 1 will be your everyone knows it's accountancy, and your paper 5 will be your advanced accounting. So both these have same logical presentation, that is you will have conceptual knowledge on both, and it is similar to both, and you don't have to stress yourself on another subject or another paper while preparing your accountancy and advanced accounting, because you will have a same phase on it. I guess you understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, next is for paper 2 and paper 6, that is your law and auditing assurance. Similar from law, similar like auditors chapter, everything will be little similar to auditing and assurance, so it will be easy for you to grasp the concepts and study easily and more effectively, instead of cross utilizing these papers, which will be tough and more stressful for you, okay, at that point of time. Okay, next is a paper 3 and paper 7, which will be your paper 3 will be a cost, and paper 7 will be your EIS and SM, strategic management. Okay, this is a little you can say little similar, not too much, but little similar, but you can cope up with these two subjects more efficiently, and you can understand easily with these two pair-ups. And for paper 4, taxation and economics and economics and I guess financial management. Okay, it is little different, but we don't have any other slots to compromise, so we have merged these two, 4 and 8. Though taxation is a long paper, if you have a proper plan for studying taxation, you will have a good idea on how to, okay, for helping you, I will upload next video on how to plan 20 days and how to study these 20 days more effectively, and how to segregate your subjects to study more effectively. I will try to upload in next video. Okay, this is for group 2, and I guess everything I completed, and same timetable for single and both group, but the ways of studying will differ for both of them. Single group students will not stress yourself, and both group students you have to stress yourself, because as you know there's a lot of portions to cover, and for both group students it's compulsory to prepare your summary notes and practicing your RTPs and revision. Okay, okay guys, and we will end up a session here. I guess I have completed everything, I have covered everything and said. Okay, next session I will try to upload video on how to segregate these 20 days for studying or completing chapters more easily and effectively. I will try to upload, and stay tuned and subscribe to our channel. Okay, thank you guys, bye.